In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely delete an app from the Microsoft Store. If you want the cleanest and most reliable option, the first method is to use the Settings app. Start by pressing the Windows key and I on your keyboard at the same time. This opens Settings right away. From there, click Apps in the left-hand sidebar. On the right side, select Installed Apps. If you're using Windows 10, this may appear as Apps and Features instead, so don't worry if the wording looks a little different. Once you're in that section, scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the app you want to remove. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of apps installed. When you find the app, click the three dots next to its name. A small menu will appear. Click Uninstall, and then click Uninstall one more time to confirm. Windows will then begin removing the app from your system. If you want a faster option, you can uninstall the app directly from the Start menu. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open Start. Then click All Apps in the top right corner. This will show you a full list of installed apps. Scroll through the list until you find the app you want to delete, then right-click on its icon. From the menu that appears, click Uninstall. When the confirmation pop-up shows up, click Uninstall again to finish. Both methods work well, but the Settings app is usually the better choice if you want a more organized view of everything installed on your computer. The Start menu method is great when you already know exactly where the app is and just want to remove it quickly. Follow whichever method feels easier for you, and you'll have the app removed in just a few moments.